Hey everybody, Colin Reed here with MarineMax in beautiful Charleston, South Carolina. Today I'd like to show you a brand new inventory piece of ours. It's the Boston Whaler 2026 170 Montauk. Have it equipped in this beautiful Abaco Blue with platinum graphics. We have a white rub rail with a stainless steel insert. To power the boat, we have the Mercury 115 in black, as you can see. That is a 4-stroke motor. We have the teak package on this boat. So you'll see teak accents on our swim platform and also on port and starboard side gunnels beside the helm. In the back here on the stern, we have 2 jump seats. Both can be removed if you would like to use this for a fishing area. This headrest will remove as well, providing 4 additional rod holders. JL audio speakers throughout. Have an adjustable helm seat right here. Also have a fishing package on this boat. So underneath our helm seat is a large live well. Also a part of that fishing package, we have additional tackle storage on the starboard side of the helm and rod holders in front of our helm right here. Have a 9-inch Simrad screen, toggle switching for our nav lights, bilge pumps, everything else. Head system for our JL audio speakers here. Have our Mercury gauge for that 115. Have some USB ports back here, as well as a mounted compass. Do have the bimini top on here in black. Beneath the helm we have some storage here. It's also where our battery switch is going to be located. As we move forward, nice comfortable cooler seat here. Here those rod holders that I mentioned come in that fishing package. Also we have bow cushions here for nice seating that will fold up and remove to expose nice storage underneath, as well as an anchor locker underneath this front cushion. We do have the boat pre-wired for a trolling motor as well. That's a quick look at our 2026 170 Montauk from Boston Whaler. If you'd like to learn more about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax, please check us out at marinemax.com or give us a call at 843-747-1889. Once again, I'm Colin Reed. Thanks for watching.